What are you doing?
Warming up my lunch.
I can see that, but this is my microwave.
Whoa, slow down, buddy. This is the office microwave.
Yeah, but my lunch was in there first.
Mine's in deeper.
Mine's in deeper.
I was here first.
No, you weren't. I didn't even see you until you ran in here and haphazardly just threw your food in next to mine.
You didn't see my fat ass walking through that hallway, sprinting through those double doors and putting my food in first?
Look, let's just resolve this professionally.
You know, I only have 15 minutes.
I only have 10 minutes.
Well, my girlfriend made me orange chicken with white rice, peas, and extra orange in it.
Well, my partner made me chicken parmesan with little broccolis and some truffle sauce.
Well, can your partner make you steak with a side of potatoes? Wait.
Ugh.
And asparagus? Hold up, I'm not done. And a Corona with lime.
Well, my fiance, she made me carne asada with a little side of refried beans and some cilantro lime rice. I bet you don't even know what that is, do you?
Can your grandma make Korean fried chicken?
Can your grandma make beef Wellington?
Just like how your spine's holding up your back, I'm the backbone of this company. Without my data entries, this whole place goes to shit.
Ooh, data entry! Monkey could do data entry. I do the Q10s. Yeah.
That's you?
Yeah.